Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video you are gonna learning about how to don't allow everyone to find you on Instagram by using your email, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Tak and you are watching this Takness Guide YouTube channel on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Snapchat app, and then here you will see your avatar or your profile picture in the top left corner. Just simply you will have to tap on it like that. It will be redirect you to your profile section. Once you come to your profile section, then you will be have to tap at that gear in the top right corner. Just simply tap on it like that. It will be redirect you to your settings. In your settings you will just have to tap at your email option. Just tap on it like that, and then here you can see this option, let other find me using my email address. Just this option is toggled on. If you don't want to allow anyone, just toggle off this option just like that by tapping on it, and then just simply come back. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.